Good morning, my dear students. Today we discuss about biological conversion and chemical conversion of biomass in the subject of energy technology. It is a syllabus. We are already discussed about biomass origin, resources, biomass estimation, thermochemical conversion. Today we discuss about biological conversion and chemical conversion of the biomass energy. It is a flow chart of biomass conversion. Biochemical conversion is a fermentation and then digestion. Digestion is called a biological conversion. Fermentation is called chemical conversion. The product of digestion is a biogas. It is used for the electricity and transportation of fuel. Ethanol is also used for transportation and then chemical process. It's anaerobic digestion. Anaerobic digestion we can use to produce the biogas. The biogas is the application of electricity and then forming the heat. It is a biomass digestion diagram. Top side of the tank is here holder. It should be collect the product of biogas. Mixing tank is a inlet tank. Another side have outlet tank. Inlet tank is inlet wall is goes to the bottom side of the Dixer tank. It already have bottom side the anaerobic bacteria. It is a flow chart. Dixer separators and then a liquid storage fiber. It is a waste material to be disposed to the fertilizer of the land. The product of biogas and then go to the biogas storage vessel. With the biogas compressed, we can use as the fuel of transport. It should be directly used the turbine and gas burner for the heat purpose. Digestion is a biomass. Digestion work as the actions of anaerobic bacteria. This is microorganism usually live at the bottom of the digester. In this place is no air, consuming dead organic matter to produce among other thing methane and hydrogen. We can put the bacteria to work for us by feeding the organic matter such as animal trunk or human sewage into the tank is called digester, and adding bacteria also. We can collect the emitted gas to use energy source. This can be very efficient means by extracting usable energy from such a biomass. Up to 2/3 of fuel energy of the animal trunk is to be recovered. The large portion of the household biomass waste, as a kitchen, stove, lawns, skims and burning, and up to we can use the biomass conversion. Over a period of several decades, anaerobic bacteria are not at a work at the bottom of the such a trip, steadily decomposing the organic matter and emitting the methane. The gas can be extracted and used by clapping is placed landside to collect the gases. It has 4 stages to convert the biomass to the methane. There is the hydrolysis, acetogenesis, aketogenesis and methanogenesis. The overall process can be described by the chemical reaction where the organic material such as glucose is a biochemically digested into the carbon dioxide and methane by the anaerobic microorganism. First step is a hydrolysis. Biomass is made by the large organic polymer. For the bacteria is anaerobic digester. To access the energy potential of the material, the chain must be broken down to the smaller parts. This is the process of breaking the chain and dissolving the small molecule into solution is called hydrolysis. Therefore, hydrolysis complex organic molecules broke down the simple sugar amino acid and fatty acid. It next step it should be forming the volatile fatty acid created along with ammonia, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide as well as other byproduct. Third stage is a anaerobic digestion or is acetogenesis. Here simple molecules created through the acetogenous phase are further digested by the acetogeneous to produce the largely acetic acid as well as carbon dioxide and hydrogen. It's the last stage we can produce methane gas. A methogenous is sensitive to both high and low pH. The pH level occurs 6.5 to 8. Here methogenous use intermediate product of proceeding stage and convert them into the methane, carbon dioxide and water. Generally biogas is have 60% methane, 40% carbon dioxide, remaining or no less than 1 or 2% hydrogen sulfide. There are two type of biogas design promoted in India: floating drum and fixed drum. Floating drum is old design with mild steel, pressman or fiberglass. It gave a little bit high cost as compared than fixed drum. A floating which float along the central guide of frame and act as a storage receiver for the biogas produced. It is a low cost alternative of floating drum but required high masonry skills and is prone to crack and gas leakages. Family biogas plant come to different size depending on the availability of family members. It is a difference between a fixed drum and floating drum. It's a floating drum, it is not a fixed drum. It is a fixed drum. It gives few economic advantages. It gives additional income, anatomy in heat in a context. It increases the cost of fossil fuels. Organic advantages: transformation of liquid manure. The manure is fertilizer more easily assimilated by the plant, which reduction in the odors and disease causing agent. Environmental advantages: biogas resulting is a anaerobic digestion is a source of renewable energy because it replaces fossil energy. Reduction of pollution due to nitrogen stripping, sustainable management of water. It is a few disadvantages. When carried out a commercial scale farm and wastewater treatment work, it requires high level investment because we can use the large tank and other process vessels. It run inefficiently of anaerobic digestion can cause odor nuisance. It is not a healthy and it is not a favor to run this type of biomass production. Do not convert large portion of the carbon into the biomass to the biogas. So can be achieved using by the gasification. Gasification process to produce more biogas as compared than this type of digestion. Next we discuss about the fermentation. Fermentation is a metabolic process that converts sugar to acid, gases to alcohol. It is a fast process to produce the alcohol. It occurs in yeast and bacteria and also oxygen stride remains deficient muscle cell as in case of lactic acid fermentation. Fermentation is a chemical process with molecule such as glucose are broken down in the absence of air. So because the fermentation is a chemical transformation of organic substance into this similar component by the action of enzyme, complex organic catalyst. We can enzyme act as a catalyst. The process of break down the complex organic molecule in the form of smaller component into nutrient. This is a flow chart. Biomass handling biomass pre-treatment, we can cellular hydrolysis, we can add enzyme, and the glucose fermentation, it's a final stage of forming of ethanol. After ethanol recovery system, it have the cleaning and process to remove the unwanted lignin in the ethanol. After recovery system, ethanol is used for the transportation. Aerobic fermentation means that oxygen is present. The wine, beer, and acidic vinegar need to oxygen to for the primary stage, because the surface of vinegar to act as much oxygen is possible to create healthy flavorable vinegar with correct pH. Without oxygen means the forming of pH will be difficult, it is unhealthy for us. Anaerobic fermentation is a method of cells used to extract energy from carbohydrate. This differentiate in the form of anaerobic fermentation, which does not use oxygen but does use electron accepting molecules that come to the outside of the cell. The process can glucose as the next steps break down the glucolysis. Glucolysis break down the glucose and other sugar produce molecule of androgen triphosphate. It is create energy for the process and also able to produce nitinamide acetylene diide. First, the ethanol is converted to pyruvate molecule. The product of glucose is a 2 molecule ethanol and 2 molecule of carbon dioxide. This created 2 steps. First one step is the pyruvate is converted acetohydrate and carbon dioxide first. Next, with the help of yeast and certain bacteria, perform ethanol fermentation where pyruvate is broke down the ethanol and carbon dioxide. It is a chemical reaction to formation of ethanol and carbon dioxide. It is a flow chart. The glucose is first converted to pyruvate. After the pyruvate is converted to acetohydrate and to carbon dioxide. The acetohydrate is converted with the help of NAT plus NADH. It is a enzyme. It should be converted ethanol. Advantages: ethanol is a process made by using sugar, glucose found in a plant. This makes the renewable energy. It gives the one of the main advantages. The process is carbon neutral because the plant grew it takes the carbon dioxide for the photosynthesis. This is therefore balanced out of the carbon dioxide released when it is fermented. High amount of energy are not needed as a sugar fermented at a temperature less than 35 to 40 degree. It's a very enough. It's a low cost process because the temperature is so low. Disadvantage means it is the fermentation is stop when the 50% of the bacteria is not performing. The product is simply not pure because it needs the additional secondary process. It should be increasing the cost. It's a 2 mark. Dear students, kindly study all the 2 mark. It should be definitely helpful for your examination. It's a part B questions. Uh, we can write any case studies to forming the any type of diction process or fermentation process. It's a very good enough to understanding the subject very clearly. Thank you for watching this video. You can ask any doubt in Google Classroom as well as YouTube comment box. Thank you. Thank you, students.